In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute Slack notifications during meetings, ensuring you're not disturbed by alerts when you need to focus the most. We've all been there, engaged in a crucial meeting or deep in concentration, only to be pulled away by a distracting ping. Let's make sure you know how to silence those interruptions and maintain your productivity. First, you'll want to go to the Slack website or open the Slack app if you prefer using that. You can do this by navigating to their official site at slack.com. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account using your preferred method. If you're using Google to sign into Slack, simply click on Sign in with Google. This convenient method reduces the number of passwords you have to remember and makes the entire process seamless and quick. Now that you're signed into your Slack account, let's head over to your Slack dashboard. This is where you can typically see all your channels, messages, and notifications. From the dashboard, the next thing to do is to click on your profile icon. Your profile icon is usually located at the upper right corner of your Slack workspace, and clicking on it will reveal several options. Once you've clicked your profile, the next action is to go to Preferences. This option is key in customizing how Slack behaves under different conditions. In Preferences, you'll find a number of sections and settings you can adjust to tailor Slack to your workflow. From here, navigate to the Audio and Video tab. This tab houses everything related to sound and visual communications on Slack. Under Audio and Video, look for the section titled When Joining a Huddle. This is where you can make choices about what happens when you join any Slack discussions known as huddles. It's here that you can control your microphone settings upon entering a huddle so you're not unexpectedly heard by others. Once you've clicked on When Joining a Huddle, you should see the option to mute my microphone. Turning this option on means that each time you enter a huddle, your microphone will automatically be muted. This small adjustment ensures you're not accidentally broadcasting background noise or unprepared commentary when you jump into a meeting. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep Slack notifications at bay during your meetings and ensure that your focus remains uninterrupted. Being just a few clicks away, this adjustment will help balance being connected and maintaining the quiet needed for effective work. Thank you for joining me for this quick guide on mastering Slack's notification settings. Happy working!